As somebody who has been following the housing market for a really long time, the fresh insight about a potential housing market crash in 2023 is disturbing. While nobody can predict the future with full confidence, homeowners and buyers genuinely should know about the potential dangers and strategies for exploring a housing market crash. In this video, we will study the housing market crash of 2023, how it affects homeowners and buyers, and strategies for dealing with this present circumstance. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. Prologue to the housing market crash of 2023. The housing market crash of 2023 alludes to a potential decline in home costs and a reduction popular for homes in the United States. The housing market is repeating and has encountered crashes previously, most prominently the 2008 housing market crash. The reasons for a housing market crash are perplexing and can incorporate factors, for example, economic downturns, increasing interest rates, and oversupply of homes. Understanding the housing market crash of 2023. The housing market crash of 2023, in the event that it happens, could have critical ramifications for homeowners and buyers. Homeowners could see the worth of their homes decline, making it more hard to sell or renegotiate their homes. Buyers might experience issues getting supporting or might be reluctant to buy a home on the off chance that they accept the worth will keep on declining. It is vital to take note of that. A housing market crash doesn't be guaranteed to imply that all housing markets will be impacted similarly. A few markets might encounter a more huge decline in home costs than others. Furthermore, particular kinds of homes, for example, extravagance homes, might be more helpless against a cost decline than additional reasonable homes. Will the housing market crash in 2023? While it is difficult to predict the future with sureness, there are a few factors that propose a housing market crash could happen in 2023. One key variable is the potential for an economic downturn. The United States has encountered a time of economic development as of late, and numerous experts accept that a downturn is past due. Also, interest rates are right now low, which has prompted expanded interest for homes. Be that as it may, assuming interest rates rise, this could diminish request and lead to a decline in home costs. At long last, there's some worry about an oversupply of homes in specific markets, which could likewise add to a housing market crash. Housing Market Predictions 2023, what the experts say. Numerous experts have said something regarding the potential for a housing market crash in 2023. While feelings change, there is general understanding that a few experts predict a moderate decline in home costs, while others are more cynical and predict a critical crash. In any case, it is essential to recollect that nobody can predict the future with sureness, and it is conceivable that the housing market will stay stable in 2023. Strategies for homeowners during a housing market crash. In the event that you are a homeowner and are worried about a potential housing market crash in 2023, there are a few strategies you can consider. One choice is to renegotiate your home loan while interest rates are low. This can assist you with getting a lower interest rate and decrease your month-to-month contract installments. Another system is to zero in on working on the worth of your home. This can incorporate making redesigns and remodels that increment the allure of your home to potential buyers. Furthermore, you might need to think about leasing your home on the off chance that you can't sell it at a helpful cost. Strategies for home buyers during a housing market crash. On the off chance that you are a home purchaser and are thinking about purchasing a home in 2023, there are a few strategies you can use to explore a potential housing market crash. One choice is to zero in on purchasing a home in a market that is less defenseless against a cost decline. This could incorporate markets areas of strength with development and a popularity for housing. Furthermore, you might need to consider purchasing a home that is estimated beneath market esteem. This can give a pad in case of a cost decline and can likewise give you more space to haggle with merchants. What to do on the off chance that you're busy buying or selling a home during a housing market crash. In the event that you are busy buying or selling a home during a housing market crash, it is essential to stay cool and consider your choices cautiously. In the event that you are a merchant, you might need to consider bringing your asking value down to draw in additional buyers. Furthermore, you might need to think about offering impetuses like home guarantees or shutting cost help. In the event that you are a purchaser, you might need to consider deferring your buy until the market settles. How to prepare for a housing market crash. Regardless of whether you are not wanting to trade a home in 2023, it is as yet vital to be prepared for a potential housing market crash. One key procedure is to zero in on building serious areas of strength for a foundation. This can incorporate settling obligation, fabricating a secret stash, and putting resources into a diversified portfolio. Moreover, you might need to consider purchasing a home that is appropriate to your drawn-out needs. This can assist you with staying away from the need to sell your home during a potential market crash. Opportunities in a housing market crash. While a housing market crash can be a difficult and upsetting time, it can likewise introduce potential open doors for insightful financial backers. On the off chance that you have the financial means and will face some gamble, challenges might have the option to buy homes at a limited cost during a market crash. Furthermore, you might have the option to exploit low interest rates to renegotiate your home loan or get supporting for another home. Conclusion. The housing market crash of 2023, while not certain, is a potential risk that homeowners and buyers should be aware of. By understanding the risks and strategies for managing a market crash, you can be better prepared to navigate this challenging situation. Whether you are a homeowner, buyer, or investor, it is important to remain focused on your long-term financial goals and to have a solid financial plan in place. By doing so, you can weather the ups and downs of the housing market and emerge stronger and more financially secure. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.